Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we're going to talk about one of the optional clauses of SQL queries, where. The where clause allows us to apply conditions to our queries or to filter our queries. There are operators that you can use to define your conditions. So here are the different operators that you can use for your conditions. So equal, greater than, less than, greater than or equal, less than or equal, between, so between two values, like to find a specific pattern, and in to specify multiple possible values for a column. Let's see an example. If you would like to see the information about the orders which have a subtotal greater than $5,000, the query will look like this. Here is a query that I've already written, and all you have to do is after from you can add where subtotal greater than 5,000. And if we run this query, you will have the subtotal all greater than $5,000. In all the operators that we saw below, like and in are a bit special. So for the like clause, you can specify a string that already exists in the column, like in this example. So again, a query that I've already written. For example, where name like blade. It's a product name that already exists. So here you can see the information about the product blade. But what if we want to see the information about the products which their names start by B? In this case, we must use a percentage symbol after B to specify this condition, like in this example. So again, the same query, but where name like B percentage symbol. So if we run this query, you will have all the products which their names start by B. And if you would like to find the products names that finish by B, you can put the percentage symbol before B like this. So here's all the products that their names finish by B. Basically, the logic is that the percentage symbol replaces all the characters that come before, after, or between the patterns that you want to find. Now, for the in operator, you put in parentheses all the values that the column can take, like in this example. So again, for the products, for example, where size in as M 44 50 and 62. Here, you would like to look for information where the size of the product takes the value of S, M, 44, 50, or 62. By the way, it's not necessary to repeat the columns from the where clause and the select clause. Like if you delete size from select, it will be correct too, if you don't need this column in your query. You can also have more than one conditions by using the and statement between conditions, or alternative conditions by using the or statement between conditions, like in this example. So again, for the products, for example, where size is equal to 44 and name like M percentage. Here we want the product size to be equal to 44 and the product's name to start by the letter M. You can also define the alternative condition. If you're looking for the products which size is equal to 44 or has a name that starts by M, you can use or to specify this. So you can just change the and by an or, like this. Also, you should make sure that the writing order of your conditions is correct. If not, your query will be wrong, like for this code. So you can see here's the conditions, name like B percentage or name like percentage M percentage and name like percentage S percentage. You must know that SQL will treat the and statement before the or statement as if you put the parentheses around the condition's name like percentage M percentage and name like percentage S percentage. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. If you find our videos helpful, please subscribe or press a thumbs up. If you want to see other topics about the SQL language, please comment below. See you next time. Bye!